Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 5 on SolidWorks. The learning outcome that you would get from this video are how to use mirror command, how to use extrude cut feature and how to use plane. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's start. Change the unit to mmgs, go to sketch, front plane. First of all, we would sketch this whole part. Make a rough sketch and then dimension. Go to circle. Press Control and click on this circle and click on this point. Make it coincident. Then again click on this circle, click on this point and make it coincident. Okay. Then trim entities. Okay. Now dimension. 15, 32, this is of radius 22. As you can see over here, this one is 32 and this from here to here, the length is 44. So 12 mm, so 6 mm on both the sides. Okay. Length to the center point is 38 mm from the base. Check for the dimensions. And now also we would make this circle in the center because we have to extrude it. So no need to exit the sketch and then again on this surface make this circle and then extrude cut it. Give it dimension, diameter 30. Check for some missing dimensions if not done. Okay. Now go to features, extruded boss base, extruded of length 48 mm, put here of 48. Okay. So our part till here is made. So now what we will do is that go to reference, click on plane and we would select this surface. We know that this part that has to be made is extruded of 10 mm. So we would give a distance of 10 mm from this surface and click on OK. And we would start sketching on this plane. Normal to. Now we would sketch this whole part. Now dimension 7 mm distance from the sides. 20 mm, and that is 34 from here to here. 20 is here, so 14 mm left, so 7 mm on each side. Okay, also make a circle over here. Dimension the length 54 mm, 20 mm with the circle, 38 mm is the distance from base, 6 mm is the height of this. Okay, make the circle in center point over here. Okay, check for some basic dimensions if not done. Okay, go to extruded boss base feature, inverse the direction, this, choose the up to body and okay. So we are completed till here. So now as we know, this whole length was 44 and this was 10 mm more from here. So if we would take it from the center, so 22 mm till here and 10 mm more, so 32 mm is from the center of this. So what we will do, go to reference plane, flip the offset and make it 32 mm. Okay, so now click this whole boss extruded feature, go to mirror and click on this plane. You would get a preview of that and click on OK. So it is mirrored perfectly. Right click on the plane and hide. Okay. Our last part is to make these two circles. So what we will do, click on the surface, sketch, number 2, make both the circles, press Ctrl and give it a relation equal. Now dimension, 2 holes of diameter 8. Okay, and the distance between these two circles is 48 mm. Okay, so they are perfectly dimensioned. Now okay, go to extruded cut feature and make them through all. Okay, okay. Okay. So okay, here our model is ready. So our model 5 is ready. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section down below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one.